Good morning students, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for your online classes. Now student, in the last lecture what we done? Tell me what we done? We start our writing part. That is the question answer of chapter number 6. The chapter number 6 is food and nutrition. Now we continue our question answers. We wrote 7 questions and their answer in the last lecture. Now we again continue the next questions. Okay student, I mix up all types of questions. Some are the extra questions, those are related to this chapter, and some are given in the textbook. So we write continuously one by one. Okay, you don't say कि मैम ये questions तो है ही नहीं. That questions related to chapter. Okay, I don't write the heading extra question. I mix up them. Means these questions, all the questions related to chapter number 6. Is it clear? I think you start the writing part and you write neat and clean handwriting and also fill up the index page. Clear? Now I know you are all the very intelligent students and you do your work properly. And I checked some students' notebook, those are submitted in the school and they are doing so good work. Okay student, but some are not done their homework. I give them the picture of a diagram of eye and labeled it. Some are done and some are not done. So students, whatever I given in the homework, you also do that and revise that diagram once or twice at home. And I give you some instructions that is the related to your learning part. Student, you are writing so much work, means you finished the 4th chapter. I think 4th chapter means we left the 4th chapter and we wrote chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4 we not done. 5 you done. Means 4th chapter we finished and that is your 5th chapter. But the chapter is 6 but this is your 5th chapter. For the writing part means आप जो लिख रहे हो वो 5th chapter होगा आपका, but बुक में आपका 6th chapter है. Okay, now I give you some instructions that you should follow at home. Now you are only EVS. I think some students finish their writing part and they take rest only for the EVS. So student, you have to learn the question answer, some other exercises also we wrote in the notebook. So you have to learn at least 2 questions daily you have to learn. Clear? Those are not started, the learning part you should start from today. Okay? And at least you have to learn 2 questions daily or 1 question. Clear? And if you have some query related to that question, you make a call to me. Clear? Directly you contact with me and I once again explain you all the things on the mobile. Clear? But you should start learning. आपको अभी से उसको लर्न करना शुरू करना है. अगर जिसने नहीं किया है चैप्टर 1 से शुरू कर दो. क्लियर? सिर्फ लिख कर रखने का काम नहीं है हमारा, हमें उसे पढ़ना भी है, लर्न भी करना है. सेम इंस्ट्रक्शन आई गिवन यू रिलेटेड टू चैप्टर रीडिंग. You have to read the chapter once, twice or thrice at home in front of your elder person. Those are in your home means मम्मी पापा दादा दादी भैया दीदी, उनके सामने आपको चैप्टर भी पढ़ना है 3 से 4 बार. क्लियर? ये नहीं कि सिर्फ लिख लिया और आपने छोड़ दिया. You have to read the chapter at home and also learn at least one question daily. One day you read the true and false, after नेक्स्ट डे यू रीड द मैच्ड कॉलम. ओके, मैं आप ये नहीं कह रही कि एक चैप्टर एक दिन में आप पूरा याद करो. आप 1 क्वेश्चन, एक क्वेश्चन आप याद करोगे, आपका पूरा प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो EVS को ऐसे ही नहीं छोड़ना है कि मैथ्स में सॉल्यूशन कर लिया, हमने इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा याद कर रहे हैं, ग्रामर पढ़ी है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट EVS भी ज़रूरी है, आपको उसको लर्न करना है। क्लियर? तो आज से सारे बच्चे ये रूल फॉलो करेंगे, मम्मी के साथ बैठेंगे, एटलीस्ट 1 क्वेश्चन डेली लर्न करेंगे। और मैं अब फ़ोन लगाऊंगी सबको पर्सनली और पूछूंगी EVS में लर्निंग हो रही है या नहीं। क्लियर? नाउ वी कंटिन्यू आवर लेक्चर। That is the question answer. We wrote 7 question answer. Now write the 8 number. The number 8 is write the importance of water in your diet. Write question WRITE. Write the important write the importance of water in our diet. Clear? What is the question? Write the importance of water in our diet. Means whatever we have in our lunch or dinner, and you also drink how much glass of water in whole day? 6 to 8 glass water. Your body needs 6 to 8 glass water daily. आप अगर इससे ज़्यादा भी पियोगे तो कोई नुकसान नहीं है। क्लियर? तो what is the importance? Why you drink water? I explain you in the digestion process ना. Because the water help our internal organ, those are related to digestive system. Means water help our digestive system for the digestion of the food and also maintain the temperature of our body. Clear? This is the work of water. Means water help in the digestion of the food and also maintain the temperature of our body. So write the answer. The importance of water in our diet are. Clear? How you start your answer? The importance of water in our diet are. Write first point. Water help us to maintain our body temperature. To maintain our body temperature. Clear? Now the second point is water helps in the digestion of water help us to maintain the body temperature. Clear? Now the second is water helps in the digestion of food. This is the question number 8. Now student, we write question number 9. The question number 9 is what is community meal? What is community meal? I explain you in the chapter. When the so many people comes together and share a kitchen, they have meal together. That is called community meal. So write the answer. When a large number of people eat food from a common kitchen. This is called community meal. Now your answer finished here. What is the 9th number? What is common meal? The common meal is when a large number of people eat food from a common kitchen. This is called community meal. Clear? This is the answer. Now student, write number 10. large intestine important in the process of digestion. Of clear? What we ask in the question number 10? Why is the large intestine important in the process of digestion? What is the importance of large intestine? So we write the answer. The small intestine doing so hard work for our body, means in our digestion process. The small intestine, I explain you about the small intestine. The small intestine absorb the minerals and which thing? Nutrients. Those are present in the food. When our food reach in the small intestine, so we found which types of food? Liquid form. From that liquid, our small intestine absorb the minerals and nutrients. Basically, our small intestine absorb nutrient from the food and send through the blood all parts of our body, and remaining part send it to the which part? Large intestine. Remaining part. Now here our food mixed with water and some minerals. Means only minerals and water is there when our food reach in the small intestine. So the small intestine absorb the nutrients and our large intestine absorb the water and some minerals from the food, and those are the waste part that should be discharged by the anus. So start your answer. In the process of digestion, the large intestine absorb water from the remaining indigestible food matter and material transmit waste material from the body.
जबरदस्ती टीचर कंप्लेंट करते, बताओ.
From the body. Okay, this is the answer. What is the role of our large intestine? In the process of digestion, the large intestine absorb water and minerals also from the remaining indigestible food. Means some food digest in our stomach, now transfer to the small intestine. Here also our small intestine churn the food and absorb the here our food become in the which form? Liquid form. Our small intestine absorb the nutrients from the food and those are the remaining part. In that part which thing present? Water is present there. Now the some food also undigest. सभी पूरा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में नहीं होता है डाइजेस्ट टू ट्रांसफर दी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. Clear? Those are the hard things and other that is the waste material. Send it to large intestine. Water also there. So the large intestine absorb the water. And those are the remaining part that is the discharge by the anus. Clear? So how we write our answer? In the process of digestion, the large intestine absorb water from the remaining indigestible food matter and transmit waste material from the body. Clear? Those are the waste material also transmit to the body. Clear? So this is the role of large intestine. Clear? Now this is the answer of number 10. Now student, write the question number 11. Write any 5 healthy eating habit. Now, how you write your answer? eating habits are. Write first number. Means when you have your lunch or dinner, which types habits you should follow. Clear? Eat food at regular intervals. What is the meaning of this sentence? Eat food at regular intervals means हमें कुछ कुछ समय के बाद थोड़ा थोड़ा खाते रहना चाहिए. Means proper interval means you fix your timing for the breakfast, lunch and dinner and for the snacks. Clear? Now the number 2. Number 2 is do not overeat. Do not overeat. Now the number 3. Chew the food well. Chew the food well. Now the fourth point is do not talk or laugh while eating. Clear? Now fifth number is drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water every day. Now the one extra we wrote, include roughage and fruits in your diet. Dear student, these are the healthy food habits when you have your lunch or dinner or snacks or breakfast. First is eat food at regular intervals. I explain you. Do not overeat means जितना लगे उतना ही खाना चाहिए. Chew the food well. When you take small bite, chew it properly. I explain you digestion process ना कि what is going inside of our body. So the half work if your teeth done for your stomach. So your food digest fast in your stomach. Clear? अगर दांत अच्छे से चबाएंगे तो हमारे स्टमक को ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. So chew the food properly. Do not talk or laugh while eating. Means concentrate on your food only. If you have having lunch or dinner, that time you should concentrate on your eating habit. Means chew properly, concentrate chewing the foods. Clear? Drink plenty of water every day because it helps in the digestion process. Clear? Include roughage and fruits in your diet because it's also help in the digestion. So include ये भी खाना चाहिए. Clear? These are the healthy food habit. Now I give you reason why we wrote these sentences. First is eat food at regular intervals, means your body needs energy, so you should fix the timing and you take all types of you should follow all the routines: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Clear? Now the second, do not overeat, means if you overeat, so your stomach full with the food and your body take more time for the digestion. So eat properly, means जितना लगे उतना ही खाओ. Chew the food well, means half work are teeth doing for the stomach. So chew the food properly. Do not talk or laugh while eating. Why we wrote this sentence? Because suddenly our food go to our nose part, go to nostril, okay, transfer to, and that is the harmful condition. कभी कभी किसी की मौत भी हो जाती है इससे, क्योंकि हमारी नाक में खाना चला जाता है. क्लियर? फूड पाइप पे नहीं जाकर हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में चला जाता है. सो ये चोक मीन्स उसको बंद कर देता है हमारी रेस्पिरेटरी पाइप को. क्लियर? नाउ ड्रिंक प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर एवरी डे, because it help us to maintain the temperature of our body and also help in the digestion process. Include roughage and fruits, because it also dietary food, it help the stomach in the digestion of the food. Clear? So student, here are question answer finished. We wrote 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? Here finished. Now we do some other exercise, right? Other exercise also, but in the next lecture. Clear? Now you learn the question answer of chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Start learning. I told you if you have test or anything, so be prepared for that. Clear? Now student, I finished my lecture here. Bye bye.